Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 9th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you 18 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Which country has topped the medal tally at the first Gulf Youth Games Emirates 2024?
Answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. The inaugural Gulf Youth Games Emirates 2024 take place from 16th April to 2nd May 2024, hosted by the United Arab Emirates in Dubai. UAE, United Arab Emirates has topped the medal tally with 296 medals, making up 37% of the total medals. The UAE's impressive medal collection included 96 gold, 103 silver, and 97 bronze medals. Saudi Arabia secured the second position with 149 medals, 58 gold, 57 silver, 34 bronze, while Kuwait claimed the third spot with 126 medals.
Question number 2. Which country is set to host the 9th ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024?
Answer is Bangladesh. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has announced the fixtures for the 9th ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024 taking place from 3 to 20th October in Bangladesh. 10 teams will play 23 matches over 18 action-packed days at 2 venues in Bangladesh, the Sher-e-Bangla National Cricket Stadium in Dhaka and the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium in Sylhet as the world's best battle it out for the ultimate prize in T20 cricket.
Question number 3. Who is set to become oldest Indian to make T20 international debut?
Answer is Asha Shobhana. Indian cricket Asha Shobhana set an incredible record during the 4th T20 international match against Bangladesh women's cricket team. At the age of 33 years and 51 days, Shobhana will made her T20 international debut at the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium in Bangladesh. With this, she will become the oldest Indian women's cricketer to make her debut in T20 international cricket.
Question number 4. Vladimir Putin was sworn in as the President of Russia for?
Answer is 5th time. Vladimir Putin was sworn in as President of the Russian Federation for the 5th time on 7th May 2024 for a 6-year term. Vladimir Putin was an intelligence officer with the Committee for State Security, KGB. After leaving the KGB, he entered politics, and in 1999, after President Boris Yeltsin's resignation, he was appointed interim president of Russia. He contested his first presidential election in the 2000 presidential election and won a 4-year term.
Question number 5. In May 2024, West Nile virus cases were reported from which state?
Answer is Kerala. The Kerala government's health department has confirmed 5 cases of West Nile fever in the state's 3 districts. According to the Kerala Health Department, cases of West Nile fever have been reported from Kozhikode, Malappuram and Thrissur districts. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the first case of West Nile virus was reported in the West Nile district of Uganda in 1937, hence the name.
Question number 6. Who has won the 2024 Pulitzer Prize for Public Service?
Answer is ProPublica. Columbia University of the United States of America announced the 2024 Pulitzer Prize winners on 7th May 2024. The Pulitzer Award is considered the most prestigious prize in the field of journalism. It recognizes work in 15 journalism categories and 8 arts categories. Public service categories, ProPublica. ProPublica is a non-profit investigative journalist body in California.
Question number 7. Who has been appointed as the new country manager in India of Visa?
Answer is Sujay Raina. Global digital payments platform Visa has announced that it has appointed Sujay Raina as its new country manager for India. Additionally, Sandeep Ghosh will continue in his role as Group Country Manager for India and South Asia, overseeing Visa's operations in India and other markets across the subcontinent, including Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and the Maldives.
Question number 8. In which state was the School on Wheels initiative launched recently?
Answer is Manipur. Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike inaugurated the School on Wheels at a function held in Imphal. The aim of this initiative is to provide educational opportunities to children living in the camps. This initiative is being run by Vidya Bharati Shiksha Vikas Samiti, Manipur.
Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Grappling Committee of India for Jammu and Kashmir?
Answer is Sania Kadri. Sania Kadri was appointed as the chairperson of the Grappling Committee of India for Jammu and Kashmir region, following the recommendation of Subham Chaudhary, Chairman, North India, Grappling Committee of India. As the newly appointed chairperson, Kadri's responsibilities will include overseeing and advising the operations of grappling sports in Jammu and Kashmir.
Question number 10. Who will represent India as an ICC match referee in the 2024 T20 World Cup?
Answer is Javagal Srinath. ICC International Cricket Council announced the 26 match officials for the first round of the T20 World Cup 2024 in the USA, United States of America and the West Indies. 20 umpires and 6 match referees will officiate the 9th edition of the event. There were 3 Indians, 2 umpires and a match referee in the list. Nitin Menon and Jayaraman Madnagopal were picked as umpires, while former India pacer Javagal Srinath was one of the match referees.
Question number 11. Who become first revenue-based finance, RBF, startup to secured a non-banking financial company, NBFC, license?
Answer is GetVantage. GetVantage, a startup providing revenue-based finance, RBF, to emerging businesses, has secured a non-banking financial company, NBFC, license from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, becoming the first RBF and alternative funding platform in the country to do so. GetGrowth Capital, the NBFC arm of GetVantage, will manage the lending operations.
Question number 12. In May 2024, which Indian wrestler was handed a provisional suspension?
Answer is Bajrang Punia. Wrestler Bajrang Punia was handed a provisional suspension for refusal to give his sample for dope test during recent trials. The trials to pick the men's national team for the Asian Olympic qualifiers in Bishkek were held in Sonipat on 10th March, and Bajrang had walked off the venue without providing his urine sample after losing his bout.
Question number 13. Who has won the Best of Show award at the 6th International Newspaper Design Competition?
Answer is The Hindu. The Hindu's explainer page on Neeraj Chopra's craft and success, the science behind Neeraj's skills, published on 3rd September 2023, has won 3 awards at the 6th International Newspaper Design Competition organized by newspaperdesign.in. The Hindu won the Best of Show award, gold, in the Best of Sports page category, and an award of excellence in the Best of Double Spread category.
Question number 14. Ibrahim Ali Khan Pataudi was become the brand ambassador of?
Answer is Puma India. Sports brand Puma India has announced actor Ibrahim Ali Khan Pataudi as its newest ambassador and said with a legendary legacy in both the realms of sports and cinema, he is the perfect addition to the brand's family. Under this association, he will front the brand's sports-inspired premium and limited edition footwear and apparel products. He is the son of Bollywood icon Saif Ali Khan and his first wife, actor Amrita Singh.
Question number 15. Pakistan has launched its first ever lunar mission, iCube Qamar, in collaboration with?
Answer is China. Pakistan and China jointly launched iCube Qamar, Pakistan's inaugural lunar mission. The 7 kg satellite, developed by Pakistan's Institute of Space Technology, IST, SUPARCO, and China's SJTU, is part of China's Chang'e 6 mission. Equipped with 2 optical cameras, it orbits the moon, enabling Pakistan to conduct satellite-based research on lunar surface imagery independently.
Question number 16. What is Kutch Ajrak known for and recently earned a GI tag?
Answer is traditional textile craft. Kutch Ajrak is a traditional textile craft renowned for its intricate designs and rich cultural heritage. Recently, it received the prestigious Geographical Indication (GI) certificate, highlighting its unique identity and significance in the vibrant region of Kutch. The art of Ajrak involves meticulous hand-block printing on treated cotton cloth, creating designs infused with symbolism and history.
Question number 17. Which country announced a new negative 100 rupees currency note featuring disputed territories claimed by India?
Answer is Nepal. The government of Nepal announced plans to introduce a new negative 100 rupees currency note featuring territories claimed by India, including Lipulekh, Kalapani, and Limpiadhura. This decision has led to tensions between Nepal and India due to long-standing border disputes. On 18 June 2020, Nepal completed the process of updating the country's political map by incorporating 3 strategically important areas, Lipulekh, Kalapani, and Limpiadhura areas, by amending its constitution.
Question number 18. Who is set to become the first Minister of Scotland?
Answer is John Swinney. John Swinney has been nominated as the 7th First Minister of Scotland, following a vote in the Scottish Parliament. Swinney, 60, succeeds Hamza Yousaf, who formally resigned from the role earlier. He held various roles within the Scottish Cabinet from 2007 to 2023 under First Ministers Alex Salmond and Nicola Sturgeon. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.